Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of personal finance apps. Specifically, we're taking a deep dive into PocketGuard. You've probably seen it advertised, the app that supposedly helps you slash your bills and save a ton of money. But here's the real question, is PocketGuard trustworthy? Can it really live up to the hype? What is PocketGuard? Before we dissect its trustworthiness, let's get a clear picture of what PocketGuard actually does. In essence, it's a budgeting and bill management app. You connect your bank accounts and credit cards, and PocketGuard automatically tracks your income and spending. It categorizes your expenses, identifies areas where you can cut back, and even negotiates lower bills on your behalf, supposedly. Features and functionality. Now, this is where things get interesting. PocketGuard boasts a bunch of features designed to help you take control of your finances. Here are some of the key highlights. Automatic transaction tracking. Say goodbye to manual budgeting. PocketGuard uses secure connections to automatically import your transactions from your connected accounts. This saves you a ton of time and ensures accuracy. Bill management. Tired of juggling due dates and missing payments? PocketGuard keeps track of all your bills, including subscriptions, and even sends you reminders to avoid late fees. Spending categorization. Ever wonder where all your money goes? PocketGuard automatically categorizes your spending, giving you a clear breakdown of where your hard-earned cash is flowing. Saving recommendations. Based on your income and spending habits, PocketGuard suggests personalized saving goals and strategies. Bill negotiation. This is the big one. PocketGuard claims to analyze your bills and negotiate lower rates with your service providers, cable companies, internet providers, etc., on your behalf. So, is it trustworthy? Alright, now we get to the real question. Can you truly trust PocketGuard with your financial data and rely on it to save you money? Here's a breakdown of the good, the bad, and the undecided. The good. Security. PocketGuard uses industry-standard encryption methods to protect your financial data. They also claim to adhere to strict data privacy regulations. Convenience. The automatic transaction tracking and bill management features are a huge time saver, especially for those who struggle with manual budgeting. Saving potential. If you're someone who doesn't actively track your spending, PocketGuard's categorization and saving recommendations can definitely open your eyes to areas where you can cut back. The bad. Bill negotiation success rates. While PocketGuard claims to negotiate lower bills, user reviews paint a mixed picture. Some users report success, while others haven't seen much change. The effectiveness likely depends on your provider and negotiation strategy. Subscription model. PocketGuard offers a free tier with limited features. To unlock the full suite of functionalities, including bill negotiation, you'll need to subscribe. The undecided. Accuracy of automatic tracking. While automatic tracking is convenient, there can be occasional errors in categorization. It's important to review your transactions regularly to ensure accuracy. The verdict. Trustworthy with a caveat. Based on everything we've discussed, PocketGuard can be a trustworthy tool for managing your finances, but with a caveat. The automatic tracking, bill management, and spending categorization features are solid and can definitely help you gain control of your spending. However, the success rate of bill negotiation seems debatable. Here's my recommendation. If you're looking for a convenient way to track your spending and identify areas to save, PocketGuard's free tier is definitely worth a try. Just remember to review your transactions regularly. If the bill negotiation feature is a major draw for you, consider starting with the free trial to see if it works for your specific bills and providers. Remember, personal finance is a journey, not a destination. There's no one-size-fits-all solution. Experiment with different tools and strategies to find what works best for you. That's all for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more personal finance tips and app reviews. And in the comments below, let me know your experience with PocketGuard or any other budgeting apps you love. Until next time, stay happy and stay in control of your finances.